Our first Bible Festival Zumba for Kids champion goes to entry number. You are right, it's entry number 2.
Entry number 6 from Barangay Mampugsay. And your representative,
Consolation. Sa diin, our next consolation goes to entry number 4, Tuyong Elementary School. Sa diin, our next consolation goes to entry number 7, Piling Elementary School. Our next consolation goes to entry number 5, Gilungan Elementary School. Sino bang wala nalawagan? Damo pa. Entry number 3 from Talangan Elementary School. Congratulations. Entry number, you are right, entry number 8 from Pipao. Okay. Goes to our third place Zumba for Kids competition goes to entry number 1 from Camayan Central Elementary School. Ang una kong nanawagon amo ang aking nga champion. Ang hindi ko manawagan ang aking second place or first. Our first Bible Festival Zumba for Kids champion goes to entry number. You are right, it's entry number 2.
So again, on behalf of the Municipal Government Union, members of